guys, this is Angel with Vaping Ape Smoke Shops here in Tampa, Florida. Today I'm going to be reviewing the CaliBurn Uwell device. It's a pod system. So I've been using a Juul for about a year now, and it's been the only thing that's kept me from smoking cigarettes. And I was using the 3% mint pods, and they stopped selling these. So I was super disappointed, and I've been on the hunt for something that was similar to the mint. And I literally tried everything. I tried Air Factory's mint. This was way too sweet. I even tried, somebody had suggested the Naked 100, very cool. It was too fruity for me. I just like a pure mint. And then I tried the Aqua Salts Ice Glacier Cool Mint. I didn't care for this either. It was too, it almost tastes like cough syrup. And then I also tried the Arctic Cool Mint by Twist Salts. It wasn't good. So finally I came across Pod Juice Juul Mint. So they make this line that's supposed to be very similar to the Juul pods, and it was the first thing that I tried that I absolutely loved. So let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. Okay, and just a quick disclaimer before I get into this video, I do want to let you guys know that these products are nicotine-based products and they are not intended for sale to minors. So let's go ahead and open the box. Okay, so this comes with a little warning that it's an FDA new regulation thing. Okay, it has the little counterfeit code here. These boxes. And I went with the Iris Purple. They have different colors. I'll link their website below so that you can see. So this is the device. From what I did my research on, you can either fire from this button or for the pull, or you can just do like an automatic pull like you would with the Juul. Alright, so go ahead and pull this out and take off this little piece of sticker here. And I did try the smock, what was it that I tried? I tried the Smock Novo too, and the device, or the little fill pods kind of look like this, but they leaked everywhere, so I'm really hoping that this one doesn't leak into the device so that I won't have issues charging it. So it comes with a little charger and an extra pod in here. Alright, so as always, you're going to prime your coil first. I don't know how to get this open. I guess so it just pops off like that. And there's two little fill holes here, and most nicotine salts have that little skinny tip so that you can insert it into there. And again, I'm going to be using the Pod Juice Juul Mint, and this product does contain nicotine. Just gonna take my dry pulls. Nothing leaking from the bottom yet, so that's great. And hopefully this has a little bit of a charge. All right, so it's 5 clicks to turn on. And I know that we're supposed to wait a little bit before trying it, but I'm gonna go ahead and try it. And it's a super easy magnetic tank here, so all right. Not too bad. It does hit a little bit stronger than the Juul, but I can't say that I don't mind that. I'm gonna try it holding the button now and see what happens. It does give, with the button, it does give a little bit of spit back, which I absolutely cannot stand. So I'm gonna stick with the auto drag. All right guys, thank you for watching this video. And if you're interested in any of our products, well, you're welcome to come into our store. We're still working on our online website, so bear with us here. Okay guys, so I've been using this for probably now about 2 to 3 hours. I really hate that it gives me the spit back. Like, it's terrible. If you guys have any advice and use this device and know how I can get it to stop spitting back in my throat, that'd be awesome. I really wanted to like this device, but it's just like, ugh, it gets in the back of your throat and it's disgusting. Makes me gag. So if you guys have any advice for me on how to get rid of the spit back, that would be awesome. Thanks.